Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Neat little pattern, and I found, I think, a little bit better way to rotate something around the center of the page. We're going to get our artistic media tool and we're going to make a little line. But then we're going to take a 2-point line and hold down the control button and then hit P. The 2-point line is going to have a center rotation, so we can control G to group that and then control D to duplicate it, and then we're going to rotate it 10 degrees and then just do them all the way around. Now you see I have the Alt key there. If you will select all this, go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup All, holding down the Alt key when you swipe through the center, will select all the lines and hit Delete, and there you have your pattern. Pretty cool, a little bit easier. You know, always you have to take this and then find the center and bring in indexing lines, and sometimes it looks like it's there and it's not, and then you double click on it and it's not there. So this to me is a little bit easier, and you can make some pretty unique patterns. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.